and the gangster come and preach with him. And that's how I come known as the Salvation Army, because they realised they needed an army, not normal people to come and preach. They needed an army of people strong, who could stand up to people in these corrupt areas. And
so right now we're at the Salvation Army, yeah, and we're standing up for people.
Yes, bro. Yes. Now, this is Ringo, right? He's basically been an absolute legend. He's been feeding the homeless for months and months now, and he just come. Basically, he's heard about this. I thought, what they need to do.
There, Ringo, showed them. Look,
Yeah.
established in 1867. This place has been here for hundreds and hundreds of years, and now it's destroyed. The Reeves Corner owners and that, they don't even take pride coming down here no more. They fucked up the community, and also it weren't just people from Croydon. A lot of other people from other areas came to our community and fucked it up, just like they did in Tottenham, just like they did in Birmingham, just like they did in so many other places. And it did upset me. You know what? I wanted to come out here and do it, but you know what? By the grace of God, yeah, me and my brethren had something else planned, yeah, and I didn't end up coming out here, and I'm so happy I did, because at least I can say.
And the gangster come and preach with him. And that's how I come known as the Salvation Army, because they realised they needed an army, not normal people to come and preach. They needed an army of people strong, who could stand up to people in these corrupt areas. And
so right now we're at the Salvation Army, yeah, and we're standing up for people.
Yes, bro. Yes. Now, Salvation Army, they've been in my life since I was a little kid, man. Like, you see, back in the 80s, yeah, before there was internet and stuff, a lot of my parents' family were just like separated all over Europe. And a man from the Salvation Army.
How long has the Salvation Army been about?
Oh, bro, hundreds of years, long time. I don't even know. You'd have to ask them.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, bro. But yeah, like I say, they've been in my life since day one, bro. Since day one, they helped bring my uncles back into the family.
What's that?
A piece of cigarette.
Yeah, give me a second. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, go on.
But yeah, like I say, they've been in my life since I was a little kid. They brought all my uncles back together for my gran, because there was just days before internet, you know what I mean? And even today, they still come feed me every Monday. Bless them guys, man. Bless them.
All right, so today, yeah, I'm at the Salvation Army, joined with
Matt.
That is it, people. Yeah, big up Matt, yeah, and Matt has been with us since we've begun the journey, yeah, giving back to the local community and feeding the homeless. So Matt is going to tell me a little bit more about what's happening today and how it's all been taking place, and also this is a community thing, right?
Yeah. Well, basically what it is, every Monday here at the Salvation Army, they lay on a little community service for anybody. It ain't just the homeless, you just got to be needy, you just got to be hungry. They open their doors at 11, you come and get tea, coffee, croissants, all that sort of thing. Come 12 o'clock, they lay on a hot plate. It's all home cooked food, it's quality stuff. They've never made me sick once. They're really nice. If you've got any problems, you can talk to them. There's usually a lady from the job centre in there if you need help with your benefits. Any other stuff with the community. See, if you ain't even got good English, they do English lessons here, they do cooking lessons. All levels of the community they serve here. It's not just the people on the bottom. If you ever need, Salvation Army will help you, bro. Bless them.
All right, listen to this now, yeah. I've been out, look, the doors are open, let's go. I've got the pulley with me. I was out to go and cook for the community today. Hey, Jazzy, come on to go. Jazzy, come. We're going inside. All right, look, we're just gonna go inside anyway, yeah. I've got the pulley with me today, people, yeah. I was out to go to the market, but today we're at the Salvation Army. Big up yourself, good vibes.
Here and that. Me and Ringo out here from morning.
Come on. So this is where it is, the Salvation Army, and we're all lined up. Yeah.
Every Monday, bro, the Salvation Army they do. Every Monday.
Yeah.
And 11 till 1, I think, and I'm not sure, or till 2.
Yeah.
And 5 o'clock in a burger van.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 6 o'clock, the burger van.
Yeah. No. 5 o'clock the burger van till 7.
Okay. Yes.
9:30 in
Night
Queen's
watch.
Garden.
Queen's Garden.
Yeah.
And then Ringo Vision, me, I'm out all day.
That's right. Yeah.
I'm an all day people, yeah.
Yes, you are all day. That's right. And he's a good guy.
That is it, people, yeah. So
Yeah,
today
right.
we're at the Salvation Army, and yeah, good vibes. Let's go inside. Jazzy, do you normally come in? Jazzy, do you normally come in?
Yeah, sometimes, you know, sometimes I do.
Yeah.
Like a little bit more about men.
Yeah.
When I was homeless, because I was homeless for a strong 4 months.
Yeah.
Please give me some space. My back hurts, brother.
All right.
Yeah, as I was saying,
Yeah.
bloody man spent 4 months in the floaty show, and you know about that. You get me?
Okay.
That's why you have to go to a church at 7:30 in the evening.
Yeah.
Every day. They kick you at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
You have to sleep on mats in the churches and that.
Okay.
Every church is a different day.
Yeah.
And then they change all of the day churches every 3 weeks.
Okay.
So sometimes you have to be careful with your housing. Because if you make yourself intentionally homeless and that, the council ain't gonna help.
So you hear that, people, yeah? So we're just identifying what help there is in Croydon, people, yeah? Different from Ringo Vision going out and feeding the homeless, you understand?
They also solve another problem that a lot of homeless people have. See, when you're going through all the services and trying to get the help, unless you've got an address to have somewhere sent to, you can't get a lot of the help, right? But Salvation Army run a postal service so that you can use them as a care of address and have all your stuff sent here, and that way you can get your communications going and engage with all the right people.
You hear that, people, yeah? So you can also use the Salvation Army as a postal address so that you can get yourself going, people, yeah? A good vibes. Let me show you where I go on.
Paul?
Okay, food parcels, opening times, and they provide for people.
But you have to have referral for that one.
Okay, you have to have a referral from the job centre. So that's some more information as well, people, yeah? A good vibes. Okay, so in a couple of weeks as well, there's going to be a Christmas fair through the Salvation Army as well.
And they've got a donation thing for Christmas for presents.
And they've got a donation for Christmas for presents as well, people, yeah? A good vibes.
Your credits, they do a thing called Employment Plus UK. You've got some contact numbers there at the bottom.
So what's that for?
Basically, if you need help sorting out all your benefits, or you know your English ain't that great, or whatever, or you just haven't got a clue about any of what to do, and you can't get appointments with the social services.
Yeah.
Sometimes it takes weeks. You can talk to these guys. They can basically engage with you, for you, all kinds of stuff. It's very different levels to their service. They do a one-to-one confidential appointment to assess you to see what kind of help you need, and they sort you right out. What they don't know, you don't need to know.
All right. You hear that, people, yeah? So there is some form of support and help here in Croydon. We're going to go inside and see what's going on, people, yeah? Our good vibes. We're outside the Salvation Army right now. That is it. As you can see, there's some people here. They're turning up. And it's Monday, it's 11 a.m. on Monday. Our good vibes.
Top boy.
Top one. I just come inside now, so we're just going to sign in. Our good vibes.
Matthew Masco.
A big t-shirt.
And your friend is.
This is Ringo, right? He's basically been an absolute legend. He's been feeding the homeless for months and months now, and he just come. Basically, he's heard about this. I walked down, introduced him to people.
Yeah, literally.
Thank you. What's your surname, Ringo?
Vision. Vision.
Well, that's a pretty cool name, isn't it? Is that your birth name?
Yeah, that's me.
Wow.
He's,
Okay.
he's famous on TikTok and YouTube.
Oh, okay.
He promotes everything up.
Oh, it's very nice.
Have you heard of the rapper M.
Very nice to meet you.
He's
Alright, so we're going inside now.
Can I have one of the Halloween ones? That looks lovely, doesn't it?
Oh wow, so
Have you seen the quality we get here?
so on
Look at that, bro.
So on look at that, wow. So on entry you get a drink, you get a savoury, because it's Halloween as well, you get a
What would you like?
cupcake, some croissants.
I'll get some
Good
more.
vibes, people, yeah. So yeah, man, it's nice. It's a nice little community inside, everybody, yeah. Let me just park up the trolley because I'm here with the trolley as well, everyone. I'm gonna just go down to the end of the room here. Sorry, there. I'm gonna go down to the end of the room here. Just park up the trolley. All right. So good vibes. So basically, you come in and on entry you get like what cake is this one?
Black chocolate.
Chocolate cake.
Yeah.
It looks nice though. Homemade, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's teas and coffees up there as well.
I'm gonna get myself a coffee.
Go drop in the back of that queue over there, look.
Yeah. All right, yeah. So I'm gonna get myself a coffee, everyone. So a good vibe. So yes, the Croydon community is offering salvation to the community. For those of you that don't know, I've been going out for the last couple months and offering support to the community, but I'm also highlighting other things that's also happening in the community as well. So these guys have been out every Monday. They offer this to the community. Everybody are good vibes.
Are they all for you?
So you guys are out every Monday?
Yes.
And how long has it been about, the Salvation Army? Because I didn't actually know that there was something like this offered to the community for like those that need it.
What do you mean? How long has this program been happening?
Yeah.
Or how long has the Salvation Army been?
The program.
The program. 13 years, 14 years. Easy.
Are you doing it right, yeah?
Yes.
14
years.
14 years. So, and every Monday you guys are out and you offer like tea and coffee.
And a hot meal.
And a hot meal. Okay. Thank you. So yes, I'm at the... So I'm at the Salvation Army.
Can't video on here, mate. I'm sorry.
No, I'm just at the Salvation
Basically,
Army.
what it is he's been feeding all the Crawley community and raising awareness about the homeless situation.
Okay.
So he's heard about this land. I've seen him outside. So I've let him take pictures of all your posters outside to
That's
promote
all
what
good,
you're
It's
doing.
just people don't give permission.
That's fine.
And, he's only filming his own place, look, if you see.
How long have you guys been about?
I tried to tell him the origin story, and I'm not very good at it.
I've been here 12 years. This program's been running nearly 14 and a half.
And this is and can you just tell me what you guys do for the community so that I can spread that awareness?
So basically, we do a drop-in on a Monday for the homeless, and we provide the Salvation Army provide the hot meal, the food, clothing, and a warm space.
Right.
We're not the professionals. Hence, we have the job centre on board and NHS vans and Employment Plus to try and get people back into work. They're the professionals, but we work together in order to get that.
To basically rebuild the community and those that are less fortunate.
And I also mentioned something before about you do language classes for immigrants who are still learning their English.
We facilitate it. We hire the premises out, so that's not us. We just facilitate.
You're still part of the system, though,
Okay.
I was trying to explain to them that you do a lot more than most people realise.
So the Salvation Army is a part of the council structure as well?
We are independent, but we work alongside. So we do food bank, and we do a programme for asylum seekers, refugees, those that are living in hotels who don't get out much again.
So you know, like a lot of people on the high streets, like in Croydon, that are homeless and stuff like that. Could they just randomly just pop in and be a part?
Set times that we operate, yes.
And they could just come in and get your help.
On the Monday, yeah, not a problem.
Okay, no problem. So it was good for me if I'm up there, I'll just say to them, do you know about the Salvation Army?
Yeah.
And, because
The challenge is, you promoting it, we've only got so much space.
right.
And at the minute, last week we had 52, the week before we had 68, we can only have 40 in at a time because of health and safety and fire regulations and all that sort of stuff.
Right. All right, thanks a lot. Yeah.
No worries, mate. All right.
Thank you, Chris.
When you're in there though, Ringo, do me a favour, just make sure the phone's people get agitated by it.
Okay, thank you.
Right, bless you, bro.
Yeah,
So that was Chris himself. He's an absolute legend. He's been here as long as I've been coming here.
Okay.
Right, ever got a problem, just come see that man.
Right, people, Salvation Army, it's a good vibes. I'm going to take a croissant. Everyone, so I'm enjoying it here with Elaine and Alan. That's it. We got Alan, yeah. Alan's pure vibes, people, yeah. So catch Alan on his best days. He'll bring a smile on your face.
He always has a smile on his face.
Yeah. That's it. So Elaine, what do you think of the Salvation Army?
Okay.
How long have you been coming there?
Best person to ask is my other half.
Okay. So is that about
Quite a
roughly?
while.
Quite a while. And did they offer a good service?
Because when I first came here, we used to pay £1 to come in.
Okay. You have to pay like a little donation. You hear that, people, yeah? So you had to pay like a little donation when you first came in. And now you can just pop in.
Yeah.
And you get like you see that you got yourself a coffee?
Orange juice.
You take 1 sugar, 2 sugar?
1
1 sugar for Elaine, please, yeah? And you are having a coffee. Alan.
Coffee, 3 sugars.
Wow, he's got a sweet tooth.
Yeah. I have.
Alright, a good vibes. So yeah, man. So after like here, what's the next part of the day then?
Next part is going to the venue.
To the
Venue.
venue. Where's the venue?
Near the market. We take you up
Just
there after we
behind
go.
KFC.
Yeah. And what happens then?
Same thing. like here.
So with their brain, we have a brain session first.
And then there's food as well.
Okay, so there's like a little.
Yeah, you have tea. You can have tea and coffee.
So it's like this is the first pit stop, and then
Venue's the second pit stop.
the venue's the second pit stop. And how long is that for?
About 2.
That's till like 2 o'clock, and then where from
And
there?
then I go off to the library, look for some facts to move to Eastbourne.
Okay.
Me and my partner are moving to Eastbourne.
Okay, so Elaine, you're going to be tapping out of Croydon very soon.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's so good that you can actually like.
Because I found 2 places already on the computer at the library.
Right.
And then a friend of ours that lives in Eastbourne is helping us, and her husband is our guarantor.
Nice. So you're going to begin a new life very soon, down by the coastline. Look, walk by the beach.
Because I've got arthritis, glaucoma.
Yes.
Isn't that right, Alan? And my right knee literally swells up.
Okay, so how long have you been suffering from arthritis?
Quite a long time.
And do you get any support from that?
I've got the walking stick. I've got...
Do you take any form of medication?
Like I'm doing gel, painkillers. I'm going under the hospital for like see what they can do.
Have you had any operations for it so far?
Back in 2004.
Oh wow, that was like 20 years ago. 2 decades ago.
So, and it'd be the anniversary, the 19th of November.
Yeah. Alan, you hearing all this? Do you suffer from any issues?
I suffer with bad back sometimes and that where I'm sleeping on the streets.
Yeah.
The cold gets really bad sometimes.
Is there any hope of getting into somewhere before the Christmas? You think so? Have you got what size is it? I've got a rain suit. Medium.
I'm a large.
The rain suit different.
It won't fit me.
Large. Okay. Well, I've got some stuff in my bag as well. How come I can see that one of your eyes gone?
Yeah, I'm blind in one eye. I'm deaf in one ear as well.
Oh. Okay, so
Whether I did that, so you come up to you and then dip my hand into your chest, you would see what I mean? You're looking at me. That's what he's thinking. Get out my personal space.
So we get all going on here. And then this coat, I got from the Salvation Army.
yeah.
Nice long wool coat.
Yeah.
Got from here.
Okay, nice. So the Salvation Army is good, people, yeah? It's a chill spot as well, but everybody's got their own personal issues going on, you understand? And we're all trying to get better, and we're all trying to do a togetherness. So even though we hear sometimes characters are a little bit out of place, we just have to just bear with it and not to add no more flair to the fire. Because everyone calms down, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone
does, yeah.
everyone calms down. You understand, people? Yeah. So just be mindful that even though in these harsh conditions and being homeless and whatnot, you're gonna be ratty sometimes.
Yeah.
Of course, you're gonna be ratty. You're gonna be.
It's the weather what's caused it sometimes. It's so cold.
Yeah.
The weather, when you try and warm up, you can't warm up straight away.
Yeah. So sometimes say people, so imagine sleeping outside and then the morning starts, but you're already cold and you're trying to get warm and you can't get cold, you can't get warm because it's not getting warm because it's cold. All right, people, so yeah, man, if you can support the movement and whatnot, we're outside Sedway, the Salvation Army is here putting in some work, but we would like to also put in some more work as well and provide some essential things for the homeless and for the needy as well, people, yeah, man, our good vibes. As you can see, that it's a very friendly community in here as well, and they offer a very good service, a cold drink, some snacks, some savouries, also a hot drink as well. Do you know what I mean? The staff here is very nice as well and friendly as well, people, So yeah, man, you can actually come through to the Salvation Army. It's a clean environment. They've got a bathroom that you can use in here as well. So it's a good vibe.
Yeah,
it's good vibes. Good vibes. It offers that gives you that other little bit of sanity. If you've been out on the streets all day, even just for 2 hours, at least you know you can come in and sit down in somewhere warm. Do you understand? And get a hot drink. Do you understand? If you've got a mobile phone or something like that, could you charge your devices if you've got?
Not inside here. Not in this room. No.
Oh, you can't. Okay. All right. Okay, so you can't charge your mobile phone in here. You say, Jazzy, we continue the mission. I'm gonna go out to the market. Yeah.
Yes, brother. I'll be up in a bit.
Yeah. Bless. All right, everybody. So our good vibes. So the Salvation Army in Croydon is a good place, and that's something to do, isn't it, Jazzy?
Yeah, man, definitely, man. Get me to start off my day. I normally have a little ooch and that with the juice and that, but that's gonna be in a minute. But I'm gonna drink my coffee first, and have good vibes.
Good vibes.
You know what I'm saying?
So
Big up Ringo Vision.
It's like a different start to the day
man,
today,
we have a nice little positive start to the day, man.
You understand?
And we have some natural kind of reasoning with a few members of the people. Them. You see me, of the community.
That is it, people.
So,
yeah.
Big up yourself, people. And blessings.
Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Yes, people. So yeah, man. At the Salvation Army, this morning, it is a good vibe. So yeah, man. You know that I didn't know that there was certain things in the community that's offered to those that are homeless. You understand, people? Yeah. So yeah, man. Share this video and spread the awareness, so that if you know somebody and if you yourself may need the Salvation Army support and help, yeah, check them out. You understand? And I'm gonna find out in communities what is there to help the people them. Ringo Vision is on the mission to feed the 1 million, you understand? And part of it is to highlight what is there in our community. And this morning I found a Salvation Army to be hearted. You never know say Salvation Army are half of them things there. And I've been in England for a long time. So let's go. We got bare things for highlight out here. Yeah, so the tram there past same time. A good vibe, we're on the mission, people, yeah, on the roadside. Jazzy's out here with me today as well, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Jazzy, in 2010, yeah, what was happening at this site here?
Bro, it was dangerous, yeah. All I'm saying is, yeah, if you was from where I was from, bro, yeah, all you wanted to do was come down there and get what you wanted to get, yeah. But it was like in the process of that, yeah, in the process of shops getting destroyed, yeah, and the process of the community being completely destroyed, because this place is full of a lot of strong people, but just not aware of it, and that strong people like to keep their identities to themselves, and which I've realised the hard way in life. Is I've been told to fuck off from people. A lot of times, a lot of people tell me to fuck off. So that just shows, man, that they're serious. You know, a lot of fires were happening. This ain't the only place in Broad Green. Houses were burnt down. There could have been more time there. There was children and people in there. So it's like, because of greed, yeah, and because of a situation where unfortunately someone like Mark Duggan, hopefully that's his name, died, and you know, peace be upon his soul, and respect him and Tottenham and that. So you get me? People took advantage of my man's name, bro. You get me? To try and get something for themselves. No one didn't do that in the name of Mark Duggan. They did that because they wanted to destroy something, because they thought they could get something valuable.
And this was once.
And this is one of the places.
Once again.
There, Ringo, show them, look.
Yeah.
Established in 1867. This place has been here for hundreds and hundreds of years. And now it's destroyed. The Reeves Corner owners and that, they don't even take pride coming down here no more. They fucked up the community. And also, it weren't just people from Croydon. A lot of other people from other areas came to our community and fucked it up. Just like they did in Tottenham, just like they did in Birmingham, just like they did in so many other places. And it did upset me. You know what? I wanted to come out here and do it. But you know what? By the grace of God, yeah, me and my brethren had something else planned, yeah, and I didn't end up coming out here. And I'm so happy I did, because at least I can say no. Like 10 years later, or like 14 years later, you know, I wasn't involved in all of that violence and that, though. But man was aware of it, because man was here, bro.
Yeah, come on. And he's so true, people, yeah, because it was
such a beautiful place.
This is like a memorial ground here for Croydon people, yeah. And because we just come out of the Salvation Army, and we're on our way to go and do the mission, people, yeah. I thought I'll just stop right here, sir, and just show you what I want, people, yeah. I'm just gonna show you a few more local places quickly, quickly, yeah. And yeah, man, big you guys up, thank you guys. You don't know, say, yeah, the awareness today is a Salvation Army, salvation for the community, people, yeah. We are look what? Salvation for the community, you understand? Help for the community, you understand? Help for humanity, you understand, people, yeah. A good vibes, and we're outside, man. Yes, a good vibes. We're outside, people, yeah. Big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen. That is it. That is it.
Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah, right.
That is it. You see?
Love.
Love. Yeah. Bless. Yes, people, yeah. Good vibes. First thing, the Monday morning here. You understand? Good vibes, man. Yes, people, so look out for this one here, yeah? So you see me, I've been around at the Salvation Army. Good vibes, and right now I'm right here at the market. So you don't know, so I'm about to kick off the day, people, yeah? Yes, big man, wagwan. Yeah, good vibes. Yeah, we're gonna kick off the day today, people, yeah? Buy up some fruits and vegetables and them thing there. You understand? Food vibration, that is it. It's like a nice little chill day today, morning at the market. Spin round and show you what I want, people, yeah? Alright, so we're gonna get some ingredients, people, yeah? And that is it, we're gonna start cook some food, you understand? And get on with the mission where we have to give back to the local community and feed the homeless. That's the mission today, people, yeah? When we say, it is a good vibes. Garlic, plantain, peppers, you understand? Lime, lemon, ginger, you understand? Okra, orange, sorry big man, pineapple, tomatoes, people, yeah? Yeah, man's got variations of things here, right here, people, yeah? At Surrey Street Market, people, yeah? Fruits and vegetables, imported, various different things, yeah? Coming from around the world, people, yeah? You can get it right here at Surrey Street Market, people, yeah? You understand? Good vibes? Good vibes. So I'm telling them to come down at Surrey Street Market. Look at ginger, people. Ginger, bare ginger. That is it.
Ringo, good guy, helping poor people.
That is it. Look, like I said to you, people, yeah, bare import and export fruits and vegetables right down here at the market. Over there, you have. Let me show you over there. All right, look. I have to carry over around so, you know, because I come like a walk through the vineyard, you know, people. Yeah, man. So look, as I said to you, say tomato. Look, the papaya them good. Yes, man. I'll show you, say. The pumpkin, we're gonna need some pumpkin for today's ingredients, people, yeah? That is it. Alright, so.
Ringo, where are you gonna drop this video?
Yeah. Look at the yam. Look at the size of this yam here. I'll lick you on your head with the yam here. You understand? No, get up. A good vibe. Yeah, man. Cassava, said we big cassava. Yeah? Cook some cassava for the program to, you know, people, yeah? Cassava, good vibes, you know. You know, sir? A good vibes with cassava. Yeah, man, you know, so we never cook the soup yet without the time and I, yeah?
Without pepper, without time, no problem.
You can't cook it without pepper, you can't cook it without time. Alright. So you don't know how I go on, man. So I have to go leave you for a moment right now and go set on the pot of food, people, because you don't know, say people want to eat their food, you know. So I walk through the place, so all of the things on the menu around here, so that is it. A good vibes. Good vibes. Yeah, man, that is it, a good vibes. Yeah, in our market, just pass through quickly. Good vibes. More yam on the menu, a good vibes. Plantain on the menu, a good vibes. Big man over here, so a good vibes. That is it. Yes, people, yeah, so we're outside. Ginger, me I showing us about the ginger them. Alright. One love to each and every one of you people, yeah. I'll catch you in a shorter while. You understand? Thank you very much. Today was all about the Salvation Army and showing you a little bit different of what's inside and around Croydon and what you can do. So if you are homeless, there is a Salvation Army on a Monday that open up at 11 a.m. for about 2 hours to give you some tea, coffee, look-alike beverage and whatnot to kickstart your day, people, yeah? So stay tuned. I understand we've got a lot more to show you what's happening in and around Croydon, people, yeah? Good vibes, one love to each and every one of you.